Good morning. I am Rajput, and today I am going to introduce to you a science activity. Yes, a science activity. And the topic of our science activity today is forces and acceleration. So let's begin our science activity. So, the science activity that we are going to do is not very complex. It is simple, and I have kept it simple so that you all can understand the scientific phenomena involved in this activity very easily. So, what are the materials required for this activity? This activity doesn't contain any complex elements. It only involves simple elements like a matchbox and a coin. So, let's begin a science demonstration. So, this is the coin. So, as you all can see that I have a 1 rupee coin in my hand. And now, this is the matchbox. So, you all just need to do a simple step. As you all know that it is the drawer of the matchbox. So, just take out this drawer of the matchbox and just take this coin and slide it into this drawer such that it is only partially visible. So, I'm going to do this in such a way that you just need to push this coin into the space between the drawer and the upper strap of this matchbox. So as you all have seen that I have just pushed the coin, and now we have to do a simple activity that we have to bring this coin out of this matchbox without touching it. So I will just push it so that it's no longer visible, and I will bring it out. Yes, I will bring it out without touching the coin. So it's magic with the help of science. Friends, as per the activity, the condition was that I have to pull this coin out without touching it. So now let's start the activity. So I will not touch the coin, but rather I will just put my finger on the slider of the matchbox, and then there comes the magic. I will just knock out. Just give it slight jerks, and you can see slowly the coin is coming out. Okay, few fast jerks. Slowly the coin is coming out of the box, and I'm not touching the coin. Science is killer visualization plus reality, and here comes the coin out of the box. So you can see that without touching it, I brought the coin out of this matchbox. So friends, let me explain you the scientific phenomena and the scientific concept involved in this activity. So what is the scientific concept that is involved in this activity? Many people will relate it to the law of inertia, but it's not that simple, and that conception is not somehow conceptually as well as scientifically correct. So let me discuss with you the most accurate scientific phenomena and concept involved in this magical science activity. So as you can see that as we kept the coin between these two flaps, there was a force between these two flaps. There was a frictional force because the coin came in contact with the surface of the flap. So there was a frictional force. Now when we tap on the matchbox, I again repeat my statement that when we tap on the matchbox with a very high force, that when we tap on the matchbox with our finger, a large force acts on the matchbox, a very large force acts on the matchbox for a very small duration, and so the matchbox begins rapidly moving in the downward direction, this direction. During this process, the coin, so where is our coin? So during this process, the coin experiences a force in the downward direction. The coin experiences a force in the downward direction. and due to its own weight and friction, it starts moving down. However, as the force of friction cannot be very large, so the coin moves out with a lesser speed, even if we are tapping this box very, very, very rapidly. The coin goes down with lesser speed. Therefore, it emerges out of the box and becomes visible to us. So the scientific phenomena involved friction as well as force. So this was a science activity demonstrated by me, Lakshya Rajput.